how to make a doorbell in Minecraft. So first, just get your button and right click on it on the block that you want to put it onto. So I'm going to put it mine right there. And now you will need to dig 2 blocks right here and 2 blocks right here also till it looks like this. Now once that's done, you just need to dig 1 more block deeper and it should be looking like this. Now once that's done, just get your redstone dust, put it right here below the button, and now get your redstone repeater and place your body position like this and place it right there. Once that's done, get your redstone dust, put it right here, connect it right here, and get a redstone repeater again and put it right there and click on it 2 times and get your redstone dust and put it right here at the last one. Now we just need to destroy 1 block right here, or 2 blocks actually. Then put any block that you want, so different blocks have different sound. So I will use the diamond block right here and just put it right there and put a note block right here. And when I right click on it, as you can see, there will be different pitches if you right click on it, so you could change it. So every right click will make the pitch higher, as you can see right there. Could just go higher and higher. So I'll make this one a low pitch sound and this one a high pitch sound. And when I click or right click on the button right here, so that's the sound of the doorbell that we made. So different blocks have different sound. You could just test anything that you want. So you could test different blocks to go with gold or wood. So anything that you'd like. And that's how you basically make a doorbell in Minecraft.